last time I'm trying this because this bitch is heavy.
Second part for everyone asking if it started or not.
Okay, we up here. Now I need another break. Weighs like 500 pounds and more. I'm exaggerating, maybe like 4 something. Still heavy. We gotta try it again. Second gear. Push, push, push. Dump the clutch. It should turn on. It should turn on. All right. It turned on down there. Hopefully it turns on again. Push, push, push.